Hello everyone and welcome back to Quick Hopper. In this video, let me show you how you can download audio clips from your Facebook Messenger using your PC. It's quite a straightforward tutorial, so let's dive right in into how you can download your voice clip or message from Messenger. To download audio message from Messenger on your computer, you'll need to use Google Chrome browser. Open it up, and then open your Messenger chat in the browser and click on Open in Messenger to access the full chat interface. Now right-click anywhere on the page and select Inspect from the context menu. This will open the Chrome Developer Tools. Once you're in the Developer Tools window, navigate to the Network tab, then select Media under Network to easily find the audio file. Next, play the audio message in your Messenger chat. You'll see network activity appear in the Developer Tools window as the audio message is loaded. You might have to press Ctrl-R to refresh the page and load the network activity correctly. It will typically have an MP4 or AAC extension. Double-click on this network request. The audio file will automatically download it. And that's it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.